Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today in this video lesson I'm going to do the revision of lesson number 4. The topic of the lesson is operations with large numbers. So let's get started. So children, there are various operations that we do with large numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us do these operations as part of our revision work. So the first question is of addition. So here you have to add these three large numbers. The first one is 4172469, that is 41,72,469 plus 6,974 plus 51,54,312. So let us see how we are going to add these three numbers. First of all, we have to write them in columns. So this way we are going to write these three large numbers in columns. We will arrange them in columns, and now we will start the addition, and we always start the addition from the ones place. So 9 plus 4 plus 2, it is 15, so 1 will carry to the tens place. Now 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 15. So again 1 will be carried to the 100 place. Now 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 17. So 1 will be carried to the 1000 place. And now 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 13. So 1 will be carried again to the 10,000 place. Now children, we will add 1 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to 13. And now again 1 will be carried to the lakh place. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And at 10 lakh place we have 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So our final answer is 93,33,755. Now let's come to the next question of this revision work, and this is question number 2. Here we have to do the operation of subtraction. So here we will subtract the smaller number 2238534 from the larger number 5237423. So first of all we will put the larger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom, and then we will subtract. So, and we will start the subtraction from the ones place. So children, at ones place 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Then at tens place 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. At 100 place 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. At 1000 place 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. At 10,000 place 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. At lakh place 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. And at 10 lakh place 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2998889. Now let's come to the next question. In the next question we have to subtract 3570582 from 67582011. So again we will put the larger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom, and then we begin the subtraction from the ones place. So we will subtract 2 from 11 by borrowing 110 from the 10 place. So now 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Similarly, at tens place, we will subtract 8 from 10 and we get 2. At 100 place, we will subtract 5 from 9, we get 4. At 1000 place, we subtract 0 from 1 and we get 1. At 10,000 place, we subtract 7 from 8 and we get 1. At lakh place, we subtract 5 from 5 and we get 0. At 10 lakh place, we subtract 3 from 7 and we get 4. And at crore place, it is 6, so we will write 6. Now let's come to the next question, which is question number 4. In this question, we are going to multiply 595352 by 4 to 8. So, we begin the multiplication by multiplying 595352 by 8 at ones place. So, when we multiply 595352 by 8, we get 4762816. Now, in the next step, we will multiply 595352 by 2 and we begin the multiplication from the tens place. So, what do we get? We get 1190704. Now, in the third step, we multiply 595352 by 4 and this multiplication, we begin the multiplication from the 100 place. So, when we multiply 595352 by 4, we get 2381408. Now, we are going to add these products and we get the answer 254810656 and this is the final product. Now children, let's come to the next question, which is again of multiplication. So here we are multiplying 23,410 by 3,024. So let us see how we will do this multiplication. Children, we will multiply 23,410 first by 4. So, and we begin this multiplication at ones place. And we get the product as 93640. Now, in the next step, we begin the multiplication from the tens place and we multiply 23,410 by 2. And what do we get? We get the product as 46820. Now, in the next step, we multiply 23,410 by 0 and we begin this multiplication from the 100 place. And we get 00000. Now, in the fourth step, we multiply 23,410 by 3 and we begin this multiplication from 1000 place. So, what do we get? We get 70230. Now, children, we are going to add these 4 products. And what is our final product? It is 70791,840. Now children, let's come to the next question. Here we are going to divide. So 2617659 divided by 525. So let us see how we do this division. Our divisor is 525 and our dividend is 26,70,659. So let's begin the division. Children, as we can see, there are 3 digits in the divisor. So first we will take 3 digits in the dividend also. But the number formed by the first 3 digits is 261, which is less than 525. So we have to take 4 digits in the dividend. So the number formed by the first 4 digits in the dividend, it is 2617. So we will divide 2617 by 525. And when we divide, we get 525 fours are 2100, right? And now we subtract this 2100 from 2617. And what do we get? We get 517 as remainder. Now we will, in the next step, we will carry down 6 from the dividend, and now the number form is 5176. Now we have to divide 5176 by 525. So children, 525 multiplied by 9 gives 4725. So we will subtract this 4725 from 5176, and what do we get as remainder? We get 451. Now children, in the next step we will carry down 5 from the dividend, digit 5 from the dividend, and now our number is 4515, and we will divide 4515 again by 525. So 525 8s are 4200. So now we will subtract 4200 from 4515 and we get 315. Now we will carry down 9, and now the number form is 3159. So now let us divide 3159 from 525. When we divide 3159 by 525, we write 3150, means 525 multiplied by 6 is equal to 3150, and now we subtract 3150 from 3159 and we get 9 as the remainder, because now there is no digit left in the dividend to carry down. So 9 is the remainder and the quotient is 4986. So this is our answer. Now children, let's do another question of division. Here we will divide 30,09,696 by 1,279. So 1,279 is the divisor and 30,09,696 is the dividend. So now let's begin the division. Since there are 4 digits in the divisor, so first we will take 4 digits in the dividend, and the number formed by the 4 digits is 1309. So yes, we can divide 1309 by 1279. So 1279 multiplied by 1 gives 1279, and now we subtract 1279 from 1309. We get 30. Now 6 will be carried down, and now we have the number 306, but we cannot divide 306 by 1279, so we have to write 0 in the quotient, and then we have to carry down one more digit, that is 9 from the dividend, and now the number form is 3069. So now we can divide 3069 by 1279. So 1279 multiplied by 2 gives 2558. So now we subtract 2558 from 3069. We get 511. Now in the next step, we will carry down 6 from the dividend, and now the number form is 5116. Now children, we have to divide 5116 by 1279. So 1279 multiplied by 4 gives 5116. And children, when we subtract 5116 from 5116, we get 0. So children, our quotient is 1024 and remainder is 0. And this is our answer. Now children, let's do the next question of this revision work, and here we have to do the simplification. So we will do the simplification according to BODMAS. So here children, first of all, we will solve the operation which are within the bracket. So inside the bracket we have 36 multiplied by 160. So in the first step we will solve the bracket. So 36 multiplied by 160 divided by 72 or 5. So first, when we multiply 36 by 160, we get 5760, and we write the division sign, then 72, and off means multiply. So 72 multiplied by 5. And now after the bracket, after solving the bracket, we have to solve the off. So 72 multiplied by 5. In the next step, we will write 5760 divided by 72 multiplied by 5 gives 360. So 5760 divided by 360. Now when we divide 5760 by 360, we get 16 as the answer. So children, in this simplification sum, we have solved the bracket, that is the operation inside the bracket that we have solved. Then we have solved the off, and after that we have come to the division and we have solved the division. Now children, let's do another question of simplification. So here 89 minus outer bracket and then the inner bracket. We have two inner bracket, and inside the two inner bracket we have 25 multiplied by 39 and 85 minus 70. And these two inner brackets, between these two inner brackets we have the sign of division. So children, according to the board mass, in the first step we will solve the inner brackets. So 89 minus outer bracket, and then the first inner bracket gives 25 multiplied by 39 gives 975, and the second inner bracket has 85 minus 70. So 85 minus 70 gives 15, and then the division sign between these two inner brackets. So we get 975 divided by 15 inside the bracket. So now we will solve the outer bracket, that is the operation within the outer bracket, which is 975 divided by 15. So when we divide 975 by 15, what do we get? Well, in the next step we will write, we get 65. So now in the next step we will write 89 minus 65, which is equal to 24, and this is our answer. Now let's come to the last question of our revision work. This is a word sum, and the question is, Joy bought a boat for rupees 5,23,900 and sold it for rupees 5,32,500. How much profit did he make? So children, the cost price of the boat, that is the price at which Joy bought the boat, is rupees 5,23,900. The selling price of the boat is rupees 5,32,500, and this is the price at which Joy sold his boat. So now children, we can see that the selling price is more than the cost price. So Joy has made profit, and the profit is equal to selling price 5,32,500 minus cost price, which is 5,23,900. So when we subtract 5,23,900 from 5,32,500, what do we get? We get 8,600. So the profit made by Joy is rupees 8,600. This way children, we have come to the end of this video lesson. I hope you have very well understood all the sums that has been explained in this video lesson. Thank you my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.